Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Make.com automations for e-commerce customer follow-ups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Make.com automations for e-commerce customer follow-ups, start by logging into your Make.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create a New Scenario button to start a new automation process. In the scenario setup, search for the e-commerce application you are using, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Select the appropriate app from the list of available integrations. After selecting the app, choose the trigger event that will initiate the follow-up automation. For example, you might select New Order if you want to follow up after a customer makes a purchase. Configure the trigger by linking your e-commerce account through OAuth or API keys if prompted. Next, click on the plus icon to add another module to your scenario. Search for a communication tool, such as Gmail, Slack, or SMS, to send the follow-up messages. Choose the desired tool and select the action event, like send email or send message. Customize the message template you want to use for follow-ups. Use dynamic fields to personalize each message, like including the customer's name or order details. After configuring the message module, connect it to the trigger event you set up earlier. Remember to test the scenario to ensure that everything works as expected. You can run the test by placing a sample order in your e-commerce store. Check if the follow-up message is sent successfully. If everything looks good, return to the scenario and click on Activate. Your Make.com automation for e-commerce customer follow-ups is now live. Monitor the performance of your automation through the Make.com dashboard. Make any necessary adjustments to improve customer engagement based on feedback and data. With these steps completed, you are now equipped to automate customer follow-ups efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.